Are you tired of this thing? I am too. All right, what's up everyone? Going to do hood struts today on my 2025 Tacoma. All right, so here's a quick unboxing. I did a little movie magic to get out of the box already, but it's 2 struts, 2 brackets for the top, or these are the top and these are kind of like the fender area, 2 bolts, and that's it. All you need for this job, say 12mm socket. This is just a 3/8 ratchet and a 14. So 12 and a 14, that's it. Anyone can do this. Anybody. Very easy. That being said, I've never done it before, but it's allegedly easy, so I'll let you know. Here we go. Next up, gonna throw some good lighting in here. Got this Husky work light at Home Depot. I think it's like 20 bucks. Probably the best work light ever. It's rechargeable. It's really solid. So check this out. Using the kind of manual hood prop for now. All you're really doing is adding a bracket right here, and then sort of down here on this existing bolt. Same thing on this side. Struts go in, and then you're good. So I'll film the installation right now. Here we go. First bolt right here. This is a 12. Just gonna untorque that. Quite beautiful working on a new car, because nothing's rusted and everything's easy to work on, at least for now. All right, so let's do this side. I didn't mention this before, but I put a fender cover here too. You might not want to scratch your paint. It's not going to be from your shirt or something. It's always from dropping a ratchet or screw or something on it. All right, so this one's out, and I'm going to put this one in. All right, and while I do this, this product's from Lexland. They sent me this product, which is awesome, and I've got a 20% off code. I'll put it in the description. They have a ton of 4th gen Tacoma products. Looking for accessories, check them out. They actually have more stuff than I knew they had. So I'll put the, again, links in the comment and the description field. All right, these are ready. Time to put the bottom ones on. You have these brackets. It's pretty self-explanatory how they fit. You're gonna use this factory bolt or screw that's there. There's like a hole threaded, and that little bracket pivots on there. Moving to the bracket on this side, you're gonna wanna do that bolt right there. It is a 12, you have to use a shorter one. You can't use the deep socket. All right, so here we go with the action shot.
I just tighten up. There we go.
All right, I got this side in. I want to make a quick note. This is probably the hardest part. So you have all these brake lines, ABS, whatever all this is. Very tight in here. I actually had to use a 12 wrench just to get in there. This bracket, you want to fit it so that it hits this when installing. And that's how you align it. So if you push it all the way, it's going to hit the bracket that's holding on this pump. And that's how it sort of aligns directly flush with the one over there. All right, so I just put that bracket in, reuse the OEM bolt. Strut is in there, strut is in there before I test it. It appears to be mostly aligned, so I'm just gonna tighten this up and then we'll test it. All right, let's test her out. Oh, beep, beep. All right, so here we go. Go start to finish, pop the hood, and the moment of truth, you gotta undo the latch, of course. There we go, awesome. Super easy, very clean, awesome install. Literally did this in 15 minutes. Pretty affordable mod too, anyone can do this. So yeah, check it out. Probably, you usually have to prime these a few times, but I mean, it's working. It's pretty strong too. There you have it. All right, thanks everyone for watching. If you want a discount on this product or anything from Lexland, check them out, lexland.com. My promo code is David4thGen, DAVID, the number 4, TH Gen. Check it out, 20% off 4Runner and Tacoma accessories. And check out my channel. I'm just doing simple mods on my Tacoma, documenting the journey. Thanks, everyone.